Good morning or afternoon, it depends where you are in the world. Today we'll be looking at Cricut Easy Press 2, and it is a iron-on success in 60 seconds or less. And you can get these at Walmart and Amazon and Cricut. And let's get to work. Let's do this. We got another letter. We got our own little tote bag. It's very pretty. We could probably even put more designs on it. And here's the main thing. Yeah, but plastic real quick.
So she comes with the Easy Press, our warm heat plate, our power cord, and we'll have to use a USB to sign her into Cricut Design Space. Let's see what came in our pack. Can you see? Can you see what I'm doing?
Ooh,
Got some iron-on.
sweet. It's like we also got our own little welcome book.
So came with the Easy Press 2, the safety base, the welcome book, materials for a practice project, safety instructions, and warranty. This just explains all our buttons. I heard it goes up to 400 degrees, and that'll be great for infusible inks. To begin, we're going to go online to cricut.com/ep-settings. Okay, so we got our laptop all fired up and ready to go. We opened Design Space. We're going to go to the little hamburger menu, as some people call it, or the pancake menu at the top left. New product setup. We got a new heat press. It is the Easy Press 2. I did plug it in because the plug-in is behind my laptop. Step number 2, confirm it's powered off. It is not on. We did not start the the Easy Press. I had to go to my car to find a USB cable that would be long enough, and we successfully did that. All right, we are setting up an unknown device, it says. Easy Press 2 USB. My computer says it's setting it up in the background. We'll hit continue on the screen. Device is ready. We'll exit out of here. Okay, our firmware needs to be updated in the Cricut Press, so we'll hit update. It says we gotta stay connected and powered on during the update. The machine beep, and it says we're ready to go. We are registered and set up. The machine had a serial number I had to scan at checkout. This is so they know that we paid for it, but also so if anything happens to it, you'll be able to track it down well. All right, let's make something. It took us right to the heat guide. I use the heat guide all the time with my mini Easy Press, so it'll be interesting to see what the materials we can use with the larger press. I'm excited to press shirts and not have it take so long. This part of the room is our Cricut world. We started with the Cricut Expression in February 2021. I got an Explorer 1 in March, which I sold in June to get the Cricut Explorer Air 2. We got the green Cricut Explorer Air 2 at Walmart for $131.98. And today my husband bought us the Cricut Easy Press 2, also in green, for $100. They are making room for all of the new things in store for the new Maker 3 and the Explorer Air 3, which I think is just called Explorer 3. I think they dropped the Air. We are going to test out the project that came with it. They gave us an already cut out awesome Cricut logo and this tote, which from what I've seen on others is to put our Cricut inside of, but my stuff usually doesn't leave the room. It'll probably stay right there next to the mini, next to the heat tape in the awesome tape dispenser shaped like a high heel shoe. I don't wear heels, that's the closest you'll get me. And our household iron, which is still used a lot because all I had was the mini. I didn't use it for pressing my images, but for pressing my garments to get my wrinkles out before I pressed with the mini. I already had the Easy Press mat. If you don't have an Easy Press mat, you'll probably want to be sure to pick one of those up because they're really helpful. The material is designed to press the heat back up into what you are creating. The welcome pack came with the instructions for our project, the iron-on, and the tote. I grabbed a sheet of cardstock I'll put in between the tote while we're pressing. I'm going to start our mini easy. I'm going to set our Easy Press for the very first time. So our instructions have us, we've plugged it in, we powered it on. Our temp at 290, it has to warm up to that. And I set the timer for 30 seconds. If you already have any of the presses, you'll be familiar with the beep. I'm going to start by pressing it for a few moments to get the wrinkles out so it's ready. I don't think with this canvas material you can ever truly get all of the wrinkles out, but I think it looks a lot better than it did. So you can say we placed our design as center as we wanted it, and grab butcher's paper. Now we're ready to press. The butcher's paper protects our Easy Press from the material in the iron-on. Got it? Go for it. So we put our Easy Press back in the cradle. We allow a moment for our butcher's paper before we remove it. And we remove our cardstock from inside. And we should be able to just peel this right off. Paper and cardstock back. Now we'll press again. I felt like I gave it enough pressure. We'll use more. Put our Easy Press tube back into the cradle. Remove this butcher's paper. I'm not seeing any lifting. Looks like that press took just fine. We have our very own tote with our first Easy Press creation. The glitter iron-on is always so pretty. It's just a little finicky when we're pressing with it.